So today I want to work on getting a little organized, and not material wise, but more of like look at the calendar, see what's going on. I noticed that some of my goals were out of date, so I worked on that. But I mainly wanted to focus on, trying to set up a schedule, and I really want to put more content out. So I figured that planning out my videos and planning out like a schedule for the day would be a good idea. As you can see, that was a lot of days I did not have anything going on. Now I am about to start a new online classes, so I figured it would be perfect timing to go ahead and log those times in for the seminar. I went ahead and finished scheduling everything I had, to schedule. It's not like I had a lot because, seriously, quarantine, there's nothing going on right now. I'm not even like booking any kind of appointments. It's mostly for me to get organized here at the house with my videos and other stuff. So one thing about me is that anytime there's something I do not know about, but I want more information, I do research. And this is not for work. This is not for school. This is just for me. If there's something I want to learn or to know more about, I get into it and I just do my own research until I can fully understand it, and that's just something I've always done. Can you smile?
No, I don't know how to do that. Like people's faces.
So since our food is kind of limited, I've been using my recipe book to look up new stuff that I can make with the stuff I already have. So I'm making this tomato creamy soup. It called for a basil, but when I ordered it through the Walmart pickup, there just wasn't any. Whip in your milk, and that's it. I also made a grilled cheese for us on the side, and it was super, super good. It just really hit the spot. I garnished it with some of my microgreens, and that was it. That's my plate, and that's my husband's plate. He doesn't get anything fancy, and obviously he doesn't care for the greens either, so lunchtime. Okay, seriously, the soup was really good, and I added cheese to it, and it just made it so much better. Honestly, I was not even going to post this part because I forgot to add bananas into the layering of the banana pudding. I did add them to the end, so this is how I made it. You'll need your Jell-O instant puddings, and I used a vanilla and a banana flavored. I only added half of this vanilla packet because it was like a 5-ounce, and in total you only need 5 ounces for this recipe. So I added half of this one and then the full amount of the banana flavored one. Then after you've added the banana pudding powder, I only added 1 can of evaporated milk, but you could do about 2 cups of regular milk. Whisk that together, and then you'll add a can of the condensed milk. And honestly, there's so many different varieties of this recipe, so just use the stuff that you already have. You can do sugar instead of the condensed milk. You can do milk instead of the evaporated milk. There's just different ways you can do it. I'm going to add this half a block of cream cheese because that's all I had, and I want more of a cream cheese flavor. Go ahead and take that to your mixer and mix it all up. This will end up being a thick consistency. In a separate mixing bowl, you'll mix your heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once you have that mixed up, you'll add both mixtures together and mix that as well. And it should look like this. It'll be really, really thick. Go ahead and line up your pan with your cookies. It's supposed to be like cookies, you can layer it any way you want, but somewhere along the way I was supposed to put bananas in this, and I totally forgot until after, so I told my husband we would just add them at the end. Continue layering the ingredients and then just put it in the refrigerator to chill for a few hours, and it would just taste so much better when the cookies are a little bit smushier. So it has been a few hours now, and we are ready to eat the banana pudding. my husband helped me out. He cut the bananas and we just set them over at the top. And we decided everybody would just, you know, plate their own with the little whipped topping over it and stuff like that. And he said he would help me with the videoing of this. So I was like, yeah, let's set it up. You go ahead and plate it and we'll make it all cute. But somewhere along the way, he forgot that we were doing this for a video and he just kind of, yeah, just watch. You do a circle. No, do a lot more.
No.
Yeah, like you gotta do it.
I don't want to drown in whipped cream.
Is that for you or is that for the video?
That's for me.
We were doing a video. Put some more.
No, that's for me. See, it looks cute.
No, it was supposed to be more.
Bring it back. Can you get a one cookie so we can like stab it? Why are you taking the stuff? He doesn't want me to put it anymore.
Whatever.
You did that. Oh, now the dogs get to eat. See, we were gonna make it aesthetically pleasing. Ew.
Now you just ruined it. You're not banana pudding.
Stop. I need to know if it's good. Try it.
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna rate it?
10 out of 10.